Hi everyone, so in this video we're going to be looking at how to resolve issues with your CSV file. And for example, if I select a Shopify CSV export that I have done before, this is a faulty CSV file, and I click on continue. It's going to upload and it's going to have some errors after trying to work on this CSV file, and I can see the failed column here has 1, which means that one of the products we are not able to import. So it was only 2 that were successful. I can click on download to download this file, and as you can see, the errors are also listed here on line 18 that the handle field is required. So I'm going to download the CSV file and I'm going to fix the field and re-upload it. So yeah, my CSV file has downloaded. Now that my CSV file has downloaded, I can go look at this CSV file. I can see that the handle field is missing. Also, if I scroll to the right, I can also see an errors field has been added for me to show me that the handle field is required. So what I need to do is to fill this handle field and re-upload it. So I'll re-upload this file into the product import again, and I'll try to fix it. So let's re-upload, continue, and now it has started, and let's refresh it. Yeah, it has uploaded the example beanie. So yeah, that's how to sort issues with your failed or erroneous CSV files. Thank you.